Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to XML format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option and here you will find two image option. Click here and this convert dialog box. Click on this output format down arrow and scroll down. Here you will find this XML option. Select and this setting option. Here you can change, you can combine all pages into a single Excel sheet or so on if you want, and check what this. I will not use this one. And you can convert all pages or custom page range. I select all pages, select OK, and you can select save out folder, a specific folder or source folder. I will make it default source folder, select OK, and converting, and this open file, and this is our XML file. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.